Hello motorcycle lovers, welcome to ASSD Vehicle. This time we will discuss the explanation about Yamaha YZ450F 2026. Go straight to the video. Recently Yamaha released its newest motorbike, the Yamaha YZ450F, a premier motocross machine that continues to push the boundaries of performance, control, and rider-focused innovation. Engine and power delivery. The 2026 YZ450F retains its powerful 449 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, DOHC engine, but with refined internals and updated intake and exhaust systems that deliver smoother and more controllable throttle response, thanks to newly reworked intake ports and optimized valve timing. Improved tumble flow inside the combustion chamber for better fuel atomization, leading to more precise power control and improved rideability. Lighter engine components, including a revised piston and connecting rod, reduce vibration and rotating mass, making the engine feel more responsive without adding stress on the rider. This power plant is housed in Yamaha's signature rearward slanted engine configuration, which centralizes mass and enhances overall handling agility. Electronics and mapping. Yamaha Power Tuner app, revamped for 2026, allows riders to wirelessly adjust fuel mapping and ignition timing via smartphone. New user interface and quick tune modes give you on-the-fly access to presets for loamy tracks, hard-packed surfaces, or deep ruts. 3-level traction control system and adjustable launch control help manage explosive power delivery off the line or through sketchy terrain. Chassis and suspension. The 2026 model introduces a completely redesigned bilateral beam aluminum frame that features a thinner front down tube and revised crossmembers, offers a better flex profile for high-speed stability and improved feel during cornering transitions. Paired with KYB speed-sensitive system forks, now tuned for even more precision and control. New KYB rear shock with a tool-less, hand-adjustable low-speed compression damping knob, perfect for on-the-go tuning without the need for wrenches. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Slimmer bodywork and a lower, flatter seat profile for easier rider movement and line changes. New radiator shrouds and narrower fuel tank design enhance knee grip and allow the rider to feel more in the bike. Foot peg position has been lowered slightly for a better rider triangle and less fatigue during long motos. The 2026 Yamaha YZ450F isn't just about more power, it's about refined control, confidence-inspiring handling, and cutting-edge electronics tailored for serious riders. Whether you're battling for hole shots or carving berms at the local track, this motocross weapon is lighter, smarter, and faster in all the right ways.